Hello, this is Old Man Recliner. This video on YouTube is about checking out my gear on kit.co. Hello, everyone. Old Man Recliner here, and I took some time today to actually load up a site called Kit, and I wanted to go through some of the items on here. Well, first of all, one of the things that it won't let me do is it won't let me put this recliner on because it's not normally a streamer piece of equipment. So this is the recliner that I use. It's the Lazy Boy Maverick rocking recliner, and I absolutely love it. So the next thing, I guess, since we're going to start here, is this is a kit website. It allows you to create links to your equipment so that you could show people and they could actually use your links to buy them. And if you actually use the links that I put in here, that actually helps me out if you end up buying it. Basically, eventually Amazon will give me a little bit of money for it, but it's nothing crazy, so don't worry about it if you don't. So since the first thing was the recliner, I might as well go in here into the desk and rollers. So this is two products I have in here. I have this uplift desk, and in here I have it linked from to Amazon.com. So if you come in here and you go and hey, I want that similar desk, you could just come down here, click the link, and it'll go find that desk for you, so you could buy it. Anyway, I didn't actually order it from Amazon. I ordered it directly from Uplift with a package, but this is uh, this is the desk that I have. So it's the same legs, it's the same width and depth. So the other thing I have here is these furniture dolly items. So what happens is the recliner. So the uplift desk allows me to raise the desk up a little bit, and then I could put that recliner that I showed you over here, this Lazy Boy recliner, on top of a platform of six of these furniture movers. So I took six of these furniture movers, linked them together, because they're designed to actually do that. And then I put the recliner on top of it, and that allows me to roll around and use it like an office chair. So let's go back here. So the other thing that um, the audio equipment I have, well, these are the headsets I'm using right now, the Steel Series Nova Pro. I did order these Series Alias Pro Kit and this Throne Max. This should be coming sometime today from Amazon, and this will be coming tomorrow sometime, hopefully. It's being shipped USPS. Not always the best shipping option for where I live. So we'll see how it goes. The next thing we have here is the video equipment. So the video equipment is this InstaLink 360 or Insta360 Link. It is one of my favorite cameras that I've had. I've had Logitech and various other equipment, but I did a lot of research on this, and I really enjoy it, mainly because it has like the autos. It has a lot of the it can follow you around and do a lot of other things, as well as it can record it all the way up to like 4K. So it's a pretty cool piece of technology. The Elgato green screen that's actually right behind me here. It's used to block out the rest of my room, and so you don't have to. And so that way I could make it so the background is basically blended into whatever screen I'm looking at. And then I have two of these key lights, so that's up above my monitor, and that basically just is gives me some general lighting, so that way I don't have to keep the room lights on and I don't get any weird shadows. This is actually facing right at me, so I'm not really super keen on the video, but I prefer when people have their face in the video, so I figured I might as well. So give me a second. Let me have a cup of coffee, a sip of coffee here. The next thing I guess we should look at is the computer. I built this in 2022, so a little over 2 years ago, and it was bleeding edge at the time. Obviously, it's at least one generation graphic card, and I think two generations of CPUs out of date. But at the time, this was a pretty beefy unit, and it still allows me to do video. I mean, play the game and stream in 4K. So play the game in 4K and stream in 4K. So it's this Corsair fan. Basically, if you guys have built computers before, you get your case. I replaced all the stock fans, and with these Corsair LL series fans, I have this the Corsair Dominator Platinum RAM, the 980 Pro 1 terabyte, which was pretty good at the time. The Corsair, this is basically a 420 millimeter CPU cooler. I got this platinum level Corsair power supply because I was expecting the new to upgrade the GPU, but I didn't end up doing it because this GPU, the 3090 TC overclocked, was pretty kick ass, and it's still a very good graphics card. It allows me to do everything I need to do. Um, I have the I'm a fan of the Asus motherboards. So as you see here, I'm pretty much Corsair for secondary components. I'm a fan of Asus for Asus motherboards and Asus graphics cards. So these two, and the this is the DDR5. This is Rogue Republic of Gamers. I like that a lot. I'm a more of an Intel guy, so this is you always want to get a K or a KS. Uh, uh, basically, the KS is just pre-overclocked. So this is the Core i9, and if you're into PCs, you know this. So I do actually believe in buying official licenses. So I have the Microsoft Windows 11 Professional 64-bit. This is an older monitor that I have that's actually up to the off to the side of this giant Samsung Galaxy Arc 55 inch. So this is the a 55-inch 4K monitor, gaming monitor. This is the first generation, the one I have, because I actually got the right when it first came out, and I love it. I know some people have had some issues with it, but I put this off to the right over here to where you can't see, but that's where I have a 30, basically a 30-inch, 38-inch curved off to the side as my vertical monitor. All right, let's see. What's my last thing? Okay, let's go over peripherals. Yeah. So I have a mini Elgato Stream Deck, which is just the 15 key. This is great. It's nice and programmable. You could use it to switch between scenes and turn on and off recordings, change the settings of the lights, and you could do a whole bunch of stuff with this. It's not just that. I probably have even used it for like 90% of what it's good for. I have this Corsair mat, again Corsair fan, so I have that on the desk itself. And then in order to not have to be like up on the desk, I actually have my keyboard and mouse on on this 21 inch, 22 inch almost wide lap desk thing, and I put uh, this nonstick mouse pad on top of this lap desk. So the keyboard I got is this. I like if you notice my keyboard, mouse, and this gaming keyboard, which I'll talk about in a minute. They're all Logitech. I'm a fan of Logitech. So as far for keyboards and mice, I've had good luck with them, and I really enjoy them. So this is a relatively high end mouse or keyboard, and this is the a wired version of mice. For mice, I tend to go wired. The keyboard, I go wireless, but it's a combination of wired. Now, one of my favorite things is this Logitech G13 programmable gaming keyboard. I have used this. Uh, I've used one of these since 20 years now. This is actually I'm actually using my second one, and I bought a third one that's still brand new in the box, uh, waiting to see if this one dies. And thus far, it's pretty good. Like it's actually very heavy duty, very stable. It has the thumb joystick, and all the buttons are programmable. I love it to death, but Logitech has actually discontinued it. So that's why I have the extra one sitting in a box. But if you look at this, you'll see it's almost $500, which is, it was a $75 keyboard at the time. But this shows how much of a demand there are for these and how many people really love these, because this is the keyboard today is approximately what a while. And you notice I've purchased it three times. Last purchased in 2021, and I did pay well over retail, but it was still under $200, I think, at the time. So, but that is, I really enjoy this keyboard. I can't say enough how much I enjoy it. So, I think that is everything. You know, we went over the desk, the audio equipment, the video related equipment, the computer itself, and the peripherals. And so I think that's everything. All right. Well, now I'm going to go edit this, and I'm going to try to watch a few videos on how to make the video edit a little bit better. So, and I'll probably stream my video editing. That's my plan.